Let me show you how to install a specific version of an extension on Corsa. Guys, welcome back to the tutorial. So all you have to do is go ahead and go to your extension. So you can find that from the left sidebar here by simply going to those extensions. Be able to find your install extensions that you have. Now for any extensions that you want to install, so let me go ahead and show you. For example, I'm going to quickly install the Docker right here. And after this installation process is completed, you're able to quickly install a specific version. So you're not able to install it before. Let me show you. So if I go to popular extensions and go ahead and click on one of those extensions, you don't see the option to install a specific version just yet. So you have to install an extension first, and once you install it, you can go to where it says uninstall, click the drop down, and you will see the option that says install specific version. So you can click on that and you'll be able to see if there are more versions available. As you can see, there are more. So let's say I wanted to install this 2.96 right here. I can click on that and you will see that it quickly install that specific version for me. And at any point in time, you can go ahead and you can just say quickly restart extension. You can update the extension, and of course you can disable it and uninstall it if you so desire. And that's it.